This video is the first in a series which provides guidance and handy tips on how to install Hardie Fine Texture Cladding. Part 1. Planning. Hardie Fine Texture Cladding has an embedded texture, meaning no rendering or texture coating is needed, only minimal patching for overdriven nails. The panels are 1200mm wide and installed vertically using shiplap joints. The joints form part of the aesthetic and need to be planned prior to installation. If the plans or construction drawings don't specify the location of the joints, consult the homeowner and designer. Ensure there's enough room behind the panel edges to nail 18mm in from the edge of the shiplap joints. Fix the panels along the entirety of the vertical joints. This keeps your warranty intact. Before you begin, check that the frame has been set up correctly and is straight and plumb. Variation should be no more than 4mm over 3 meters. If the timber frame isn't straight, rectify it by battening out using Hardie's 70 by 19mm cavity battens or 70 by 35mm timber battens. Similarly, if installing on a steel frame, use the cavity fix method. The battens allow the cladding to be fixed with brad nails instead of screws, which give a better finish. With framing typically being at 450mm centres in renovations, add studs every 1200mm to pick up the edges of the panels. To maximise the fixing space, you can use double studs at 1200mm intervals or where suitable. For a new frame, set studs out at maximum 600mm centres. For high wind zones, set studs closer together. At maximum 450mm centres for N4 and C2, or at 300mm centres for N5, C3 and above. For more information, refer to the Hardie Fine Texture Cladding Installation Guide, which is available on the James Hardie website. In Part 2, we'll cover joint location.